You're going to learn how to take any card and visually vanish it right in front of your spectators' eyes. This is one of the best, most visual card vanishes ever created. And if you stay until the end, I'll show you how to perform this confidently so you can get reactions like this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Oscar here, and in this video I'm going to share with you probably the most visual card vanish ever created. Now you can do this vanish with a completely normal deck of cards, and it's actually very easy to learn if you just follow the steps laid out in this tutorial. And this is called the rub-a-dub vanish, and what I've done is I've broken it down into 3 different parts so you can learn this move as fast as possible. Then at the very end of the video, I'm going to share with you my practice blueprint that will help you learn this move in a matter of minutes, not in weeks or anything like that. So definitely stick around for the end of the video because it's just going to speed up the whole learning process. So then let's move on to part 1, which is knowing how to hold the cards correctly. So we're going to begin by holding the cards in what is known as mechanics grip. A mechanics grip is when you have your thumb along one edge of the deck like this, your first finger is curled over the top of the deck, and then these 3 fingers are just down the side. This is the starting position. And then all you're going to do is take the top card and move it to the side like this. So the card is basically pushed to the side and then it's slightly rotated at an angle on top of the deck. We've only got one card here. And basically this card just sits on top of these 3 fingers. It rests near your first finger and then under your thumb as well. And all you need to do to practice the only sleight in this move is practice taking your thumb and pulling this top card flush with the rest of the deck. That is literally it. That is the only sleight you need to pull off this trick, all right? I'll explain how it all works later, but for now, just practice holding the top card like this and then using your thumb to pull it flush with the rest of the deck. Now, once you've mastered that, we can then move on to part 2, which is the vanish. So the way in which the vanish works is very simple. You're going to be starting in this position here as we just practiced, and then your other hand is going to come down in a sweeping motion over the cards. And what you're going to be doing is mimicking taking the card and then rubbing it into the table. So actually just practice doing that a few times. Have the card like this, come down, and then actually try and rub the card into the table. However, this is where the secret move happens. What we're going to do is your hand goes over, it covers the top card that you've outjogged, and then you're simply going to use your thumb to slide this card flush with the rest of the deck, and then you continue to pretend to rub the card into the table. So literally from here to here, and then your hand continues the motion as if it's palmed the top card, and you pretend to basically just rub that card into the table. Now there are some subtleties that we're going to go over later that's going to make this a lot more convincing, but for now, just practice this motion as this is the basic mechanics of the illusion. Now let's move on to part 3, which is all about taking this effect to the next level. So the first thing you want to do when performing this trick is to rotate your wrist that is holding the card as you pull it back on top of the deck. So we're not just doing this. What we're going to do is we're going to do this and rotate our hand, and this just makes the move basically invisible. So as you can see here, when I rotate my wrist, the move just looks way better. And you can actually do this on your leg as well. I often do this when performing live. However, the absolute best thing you can do to make this the most convincing illusion possible is what I call the false take. So this is me performing the trick to some friends when I went skiing last year. I literally take the card and I say I'm going to rub it into the table. And as you can see, it didn't work, so I try again. And this time I do the move you just learned, but they're convinced the card is under my hand when in reality there's nothing there. So to do this, actually take the card and try and rub it into the table. The spectators will think you got it wrong, which raises the stakes. Next time you do it, actually perform the vanish this time, and when you bring your hand up, keep your fingers closed as if you're palming the card. Everyone will assume it's in your palm until you reveal it's gone. Okay, so how do you actually learn this move really quickly and perform it confidently? Well, you've got to remember that this move is 100% muscle memory, and the biggest mistake you can make when trying to learn it is just trying to learn this whole thing in one big go. Instead, I recommend you spend 20 minutes per day over 3 days learning this move. So on day 1, you get used to the card moving with your thumb. Day 2, you get used to your other hand covering the card, and then day 3, you get used to just putting it all together. And if you do that, I promise you, you'll have one of the best card vanishes ever created under your belt in less than 3 days. And by the way, if you enjoyed this card vanish, then you're absolutely going to love this coin vanish that I also taught on the channel, which you can learn by clicking here.